Come test drive this 2013 Ford F-150. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is a leading example of refined versatility in the full-size pickup segment. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 5-liter 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.